I've been hearing about focused funds. Can you explain what they are?
Of course, a focused fund is a type of equity mutual fund that maintains a concentrated portfolio of no more than 30 stocks.
Wow, so they really narrow down their investments to a specific set of stocks.
Exactly. These funds provide targeted market exposure. By investing in a select few securities, they aim to capture potential growth and opportunities across well-researched, high-potential ideas across market caps.
That sounds exciting. Are there any benefits to investing in a focused equity fund?
Absolutely. By investing in fewer stocks, focus funds allocate more funds or capital to the best opportunities, maximizing return potential. Though concentrated, focus funds typically maintain sector and market cap diversification. However, keep in mind that due to concentrated holdings, focus funds can experience larger swings in value during market turbulence compared to diversified funds.
Thanks for the information. I'll definitely dive deeper into this and do my research.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.